When we return, we will show you today's weather. Stay tuned. Every day, someone loses a life. Maybe even many people lose lives. But a tragedy has struck. Carrot is dead. For a small fee, you can help bring this carrot back. The BBC is responsible for the content of this advertising. BBC stands for Bring Back Carrot. Welcome back to AWC 6 with the weather. This map may look confusing, but just try to focus on the blue triangles and the red semicircles. There are 4 types of fronts. One type of front is called a cold front. When a cold front occurs, cooler, denser weather flows under less dense, hotter weather. A cold front on this map would look something like this. The next type of front is called a warm front. When a warm front occurs, it pushes cooler air closer to the earth, which brings rain and clouds, usually cumulonimbus clouds. An example on the map is this right here. This is a warm front. The third type of front is called an occluded front. When an occluded front occurs, a warm front and a cold front come together, but one front takes over the other. Let's say the warm front took over the cold front, or vice versa. This front would usually bring rain and thunderstorms. There are no examples of occluded fronts on this map. The final type of front is called the stationary front. A stationary front occurs when a cold front and a warm front come together at the same force. They have a battle, so-called, and it goes on forever until they run out of fronts and another front rolls in. An example would be right here on the map. The blue triangles indicate where the cold front is heading. Same as the blue triangles, the red semicircles show where the warm front is going. In a stationary front, they're going the opposite way, which means it's not going anywhere. There are no examples of occluded fronts on this map, as I said before. There are many cold fronts on this map. This one will probably affect northwestern United States. This cold front here will affect northern United States. And this cold front here will go to the Atlantic Ocean, where there is no United States. There are a few warm fronts on the map. One warm front is right here. This warm front will probably affect the eastern seaboard of the United States. This warm front here will give a little relief to Canada. The stationary front can be found right here. Much rain, or snow in this case, because they're in Canada, will occur. The hottest temperature of the day is from 70 to 90 degrees, which can be found in the western part of the U.S. and the southeastern part of the U.S. The coldest weather of the day ranges from 40 to 60 degrees, which can be found in the Midwest, the Mid-South, and on the eastern seaboard. So it's probably the cold air coming from Canada. The average temperature across the U.S. is probably a range from 60 to 70 degrees, highlighted within this area, the purple area. Yeah. The warmest low of the day can be found in Florida, which ranges from 60 to 80 degrees. The coldest lows range from 10 to 30 degrees all around in this area, which includes Central America, Midwestern America, Northern America, and just takes up most of America. The average temperature of the night would range from 40 to 60 degrees in southeastern and just eastern America, and almost all of the western America.
agreeable.